On behalf of my officers and crew and Norwegian Cruise Line, we are really looking forward to come back here and hopefully at one day we can have Mombasa as a turnaround port in future.
It's our blueprint, achieving our blueprint tourism. And on top of that one, we want to congratulate our Kenya Tourism Board, we want to congratulate the KPA for all these ones. It is a part of growing our cruise tourism, and this is just the beginning. Last month in December, we also received a cruise ship, and we hopeful next month also MSC is coming back here. So as Mombasa County, ours is to build a conducive environment for tourism growth, and we want to work with all stakeholders and to make to know that Mombasa is going to be a premier destination for all the tourists.
We are here to support the cruise tourism, and you can see the kind of infrastructure that we've put in place as KPA. It is to support the cruise tourism. I want to assure the ship captain, the staff captain, that the port of Mombasa is safe, and we are here to support the tourism. You are free to visit our small city here, the port of Mombasa, and also enjoy the white beaches in the port in the city of Mombasa. So for us as KPA, we just want to appreciate, and we say we will continue supporting the country's cruise tourism. This is the first maiden call this year, and this is one of the biggest vessels that we have ever handled in the port of Mombasa.
You can see we have a cruise terminal here, which we've put in place. So we are welcoming more vessels to Mombasa, and my MD here has just briefed me that we are expecting more vessels next month.